Pinterest edits have been taking over the entire internet. I think everybody's getting bored of just uploading a plain iPhone photo and calling it a day. So obviously you know that we had to hook you guys up. I'm gonna show you guys how to recreate 5 different Pinterest inspired photos and edits. We're gonna go from the easiest, being a simple sunset photo that has been taking all over Pinterest so that you can get the perfect vacation photo, and then all the way to the viral bag spill edit. If you wanna learn how to recreate any of these 5 edits, keep on watching. For the first edit, I'm gonna show you guys how to recreate all of these Digicam sunset photos. I've been seeing them all over Pinterest. It's so hard to get that perfect sunset pic, and for some reason, all of the Pinterest girlies managed to figure it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it too. This will work for a photo taken on iPhone or Digicam. All you have to do is go to filters, and then I chose saturation so that it really brightens up the sunset. Now here's a life hack. Go to erase and click background so that the only thing that is saturated is your background and not yourself. That way you're not looking a little too orange. Now personally for me, I love to do this little hack, and hot girls don't gatekeep, so I'm gonna hook y'all up. I like to put filters on filters. So after I save my saturation filter, I go back into filters, and then I chose IC4 in order to bring out the pink color so that it's not too orange. Then I went to tools, went to adjust, and I put my contrast at 15 so that it just makes the photo look higher quality and more crisp. And then I bumped up the saturation to 9 so that you can still get that summer tan. This is so easy and quick to do. It's so simple. You can do this with literally any photo, but I think it works perfectly to get that perfect sunset pic. And now you look like a Pinterest girly. You're welcome. The second edit I'm going to show you guys is how to do this 3-way collage. This is so simple, but it's also a great way to spice up your Instagram stories. I highly recommend doing this for anybody, but especially if you're a UGC creator. They say that you're supposed to upload an Instagram story at least once a day, and you don't just want to be uploading photos and then posting them immediately. You want to stand out and be a little bit different. So even if you want to post something super quick, super simple, this is just a fun way to spice that up. All you have to do is go to collage, pick 3 photos that you like. I just picked 2 photos from a brunch that I had with my friend, and then a picture of the meal. You can change the order of the photos, you can adjust the photos, and that's literally all you have to do. It's so simple, but already it looks like you put so much more effort, and this has been something that the Pinterest girlies have been loving, so I think it will be great for anybody who wants to spice up their Instagram game. Now the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is the nail trend. For me, I am not an acrylic girly because I'm always afraid that they're gonna pop off, so I really love this hack because you can literally just add them in Picsart, but I love the little twist of making your hands look big. All you have to do is pick a photo where you're showing your nails, go to cutout, and then erase everything so it's just your hands. Make sure to save that, go back to the original photo, and then go to add photos, add the picture of your hand, and then make it super big so that it's covering the original. Adjust it to however you like it, and then you go to stickers, type in nail, and then choose a nail or acrylic design that you like. This is really fun because you can choose different designs depending on the holiday, the season. Again, I think this is a really fun and clever way of showing off your nail design. Obviously, if you have acrylics, you don't have to do the sticker part like me. You can also do this if you want to show off your drink, like a matcha or a coffee. You can really take this trend and go crazy with it. The 4th edit I'm going to show you guys is the mini me. I chose a photo where my foot was sticking out, but it was flat. And then I went to add photo, chose another photo of myself, clicked erase so that it's just my figure. You can do a bunch of different variations of this. I thought this was really fun. And again, all of the TikTok girlies loved it. Again, just another really fun way to spice up your Instagram content or your TikTok content. I also think this is a really great way of showing off your outfit. And the last trend is the viral bag spill trend. I've been seeing this everywhere, and all of the girlies are doing it on Picsart. All you have to do is choose a photo where your bag is upside down and empty. Then I went to stickers to add items. I chose things like a CD, a Digicam, and then I also added a coffee and a little wallet on the bottom. And that's really it. I think this is a really fun spin on how to show your followers maybe what your favorite items are. I know like the August favorites, September favorites are gonna come out soon. So this is a really fun edit on how to incorporate that common video trend and making it into a photo. These edits are so quick and easy to do, but they look like you put so much effort into it, which is only gonna help increase your followers. If you guys want to see more videos like this, or potentially a part 2, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.